Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we're making an irresistible Almond Roca Latte that's rich, creamy, and packed with buttery toffee, chocolate, and toasted almond flavors. Inspired by the classic candy, this cafe-style drink is incredibly easy to prepare at home. If you love sweet, comforting coffee creations, you're going to fall in love with every delicious sip of this recipe. Ingredients: 2 shots espresso or 1/5 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup whole milk or almond milk, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon toffee syrup, 1/4 teaspoon almond extract, 2 tablespoons crushed toasted almonds, whipped cream, chocolate shavings, extra crushed almonds for garnish. Directions. Start by brewing 2 fresh shots of espresso or preparing a 1/2 cup of strong coffee. Set it aside while you prepare the creamy latte base. In a small saucepan, combine the milk, chocolate syrup, toffee syrup, and almond extract. Heat over medium-low heat, whisking constantly until the mixture is smooth, hot, and slightly frothy. Avoid letting it boil to maintain a silky texture. Pour the freshly brewed espresso into your favorite coffee mug. Slowly add the warm flavored milk, stirring gently until everything is fully blended. Mix in the crushed toasted almonds for a subtle crunch and delicious roasted flavor throughout the drink. Top your Almond Roca Latte with a generous swirl of whipped cream. Sprinkle chocolate shavings and additional crushed toasted almonds over the whipped cream for a beautiful coffeehouse presentation. Serve immediately while hot and enjoy the rich combination of smooth espresso, creamy chocolate, buttery toffee, and nutty almond flavors. This luxurious homemade latte is perfect for cozy mornings, relaxing evenings, or anytime you want to treat yourself to a cafe-quality coffee without leaving home. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this delicious Almond Roca Latte recipe. If you try it, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell for more creative coffee recipes. Until next time, stay cozy, keep brewing, and enjoy every flavorful cup. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.